My name is Nick Higgins. I'm a documentary DP. My camera package is built around the C300 Mark II. It does a great job for verite and it does a great job for interviews, which is a huge component of any documentary. You have to create an environment where the people are going to feel comfortable sharing that story. Robin Williams, Come Inside My Mind, really was an interview-based production. We're not intercutting with live verite footage of them in their daily lives. We're going to be intercutting with archival. It's not an interview everyone's desperate to do, so we went for a naturalistic look. 90% of the interviews are shot in a place that's like, they're not that nice. But you had to create a look that allowed the audience to focus on what they're saying. The director of OJ Made in America was adamant that he had to have an atmosphere that was completely about this conversation he was going to have. There has to be some equipment, but he wanted the absolute minimum. It was an 8-hour documentary that won an Academy Award and it had one camera and one lens, and it worked just fine. The modern documentary took on the grammar of a traditional cinema. If you shoot with a decent lens fairly wide open on a big chip camera, it's actually easier than it was in the days with the E&G cameras. It's funny because traditional documentary cinematographers basically just recreate E&G cameras with zooms. I think you're giving away some of the cinematic potential of the camera by doing that. The truth is, in the end, they're using 5 clips if you're lucky from any particular interview. Whatever focal length you're on, switch it to a prime, shoot the same shot, you'd be better off. It's a point of pride for everyone to shoot some documentaries because it's important stuff. I can tell my kids what I've been working on and be proud of the fact that they're all making a difference in some way. And in documentaries, you're typically on the right side of history and you're shining the light on something that requires people's attention.